Hi guys, it's Casey with Barnett Schoolhouse. I am going to show you some pros of having the editable version of Adobe Acrobat, especially if you are a serial seller on TPT. So, what I have up is my back to school bulletin board file. And inside of that, this is my sample. And what I do is I actually go, I have the editor, I have Adobe, I pay a monthly fee on it, and it's an educator's um, fee. I think it's like $19 right now. So, what I do when I get done with a sample is I always want to stick a page in it that links to other resources or gives people an idea of something else that they could buy or purchase or utilize with that product. So I call those little upsell pages. And when someone downloads my sample, it's in there. So inside of this, you can see where I have a random page that is 8.5 by 11 instead of the 12 by 12 part, which is totally fine. I'll show you how I inserted it. So this is let's close this real quick. This is my Sweet Resources page. If you're enjoying this resource, you can check out others. So when they open up the sample, they see that and it'll link right to another resource when they click on it. So, organize pages. You're going to go to Insert from File. And I'm going to just grab this terms of use page here. It'll ask where you want to put it. After the first page, after the last page. I'm just going to put it after the first page. And here's the file here. Now this is just like the one I had already inserted, and this actually has a terms of use page. So since I've already inserted this page into the file, make sure I get rid of the one that doesn't have a link. I'm going to close. Let's say we just did that. And I'll see my sample here. And voila. So once you get back to your PDF, you go over here to the save file, and then you're good. If you want to edit, let's see, let me go down to this page. If you want to edit on your PDF with the Adobe, it's really cool. It's really helpful, especially when you're doing updates with products in your shop. I swear, I don't know how I did it before. Sometimes, even my older ones, okay, I'm just going to say all the time, with my older products, I cannot find them because I used a different computer, different program, different flash drives. Yeah, I don't even use those anymore. So this is really, really beneficial. So, like, even right here, I'm going to tap on it. And my Acrobat's acting kind of slow today, but tap it and you can type into it and it'll match your font. All the fonts that you've already downloaded. It's really amazing. I just have to say, wow. So if you need any more assistance with this, please feel free to ask me. Shoot me a message. Go to my blog, ask me a question there. It's blogspot.barnettschoolhouse.com. Please feel free to go.